Welcome to our Getting Started video tutorial for our Market Maker database. Market Maker is a searchable database of covenant and structural terms in high-yield bonds. This short video will provide you with an introductory guide to using Market Maker, including an explanation of each of the key search functions and how to make the best use of this powerful database. To begin, navigate your way to the DebtXplained website and onto the login page. Next, you'll need to enter your login ID and password. The links across the top of the screen allow you to navigate between the various databases and products. For today's tutorial, we will just be focusing on the Market Maker database. Upon loading up Market Maker, you will see a schedule which sets out the key terms for each high-yield bond in our database. There are two search functions which allow you to search and compare terms across the database: the Search Assistant and the Term Tracker. These can be used separately or in conjunction with each other to narrow and focus your various searches. Starting firstly with the Term Tracker. The Market Maker Term Tracker is a simple interface that helps users track and compare different deal terms. Commonly viewed terms have been grouped together in predefined tables for quick access to key information. There are 35 predefined tables. To see a predefined table, simply go to Term Tracker and identify the predefined table or tables you wish to view. And then press on the Hide button, like so it changes to show for every table that is of interest. If you wish to review the contents of a predefined table, click on Edit Table. It will then show the covenant categories which are included in that table. You are also able to amend predefined tables or build your own tables using the My Tables feature, but we will come on to that a little later. Once you have chosen the tables you wish to view, click on the Show Tables button to bring up each of the selected tables. You can then review these specific covenants across each of the high-yield bonds in the database. If you are looking for a specific term or a particular mix of terms that are not in the predefined table, then you can make your own table. Simply click back on Term Tracker and click on Create New Table. Using the contents listed on the left-hand side, click on the plus icon to open out the index. Once you select a specific term, it will appear on the right. I'm going to select Sponsor, Launch Date, General Sectors and Specific Sectors, Market Reaction, and Amount and Coupon. A maximum of 8 controls may be added to any one table. When you have finished creating your table, remember to give it a name. And then click Save. Once it's loaded, we can then click Show Tables. Each of the predefined tables already selected, as well as your own table, will now show. All tables are automatically saved to a user's profile for immediate access at a later date. This means that as new deals are added to the system, users can log in and immediately see new market terms in specific areas that they are interested in. The tables that you've created show your selected covenants across all of the high-yield bonds contained in the Market Maker database. However, you may wish to search for deals which contain specific terms, Or you may want to filter a search by a certain criteria, such as sponsor. This is where the search assistant is used. The search assistant opens up into multiple general and specific fields which you can search across the market-maker database. Terms are split into intuitive sections clearly marked by the index at the top. Looking over by the search button on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see that prior to activating any search filters, we have, as at this date, 341 deals in our market maker database. Coming back to the search functions, let's put some search filters into play. If I click on Summary and Basic Information, and then search by launch date for deals which launched in 2014, you will now see that of the 341 deals, 71 went to market this year. If we were then interested primarily in retail deals, we could further limit our search by selecting General Sector and Retail. And then we'll see that of the 71 high-yield bonds issued in 2014, 10 were by issuers from the retail sector. As search terms are selected, the number of matched deals updates automatically at the top right-hand corner of the screen. We can see that the fields being filtered, in this case within the summary section and within basic information, now appear with a red circle and a number to specify how many searches are active. And these searches will also appear on the summary page. The summary page shows all the search items that have been selected, allowing for current search items to be reviewed and modified in a single place. To the right of each value are two buttons, the Show and Hide, and the Active and Inactive. The Show and Hide determines if the item appears as a column in the user's table. The Active, Inactive button determines if the value is actually being searched. To activate this search, we'll click on Search Now. All tables that are active in your search, whether these are predefined tables or ones you have created, will now be filtered by your search criteria. So all of the deals visible in the schedule are from 2014 and from the retail sector. And for each of these specific deals, we can review the key covenant terms that we were interested in. Should certain deals appear of interest, you can tick them on the left so they become coloured, like so. The gear icon next to the search box allows tick deals to be brought together for easy review. So that is basic table creation and filtering. If you wish to save your searches to be able to review at a later date, click on the Save button and give your search a name. Your search will now automatically be updated each time the database is updated with new deals, making it easier to track those key covenant terms across the market. Save searches can be accessed either from your homepage on the website or by using the Load button. Like so. You are also able to print your search via the Print button, or you can share the search that you have done with your colleagues via the Share function. By clicking on the Share button, a link to your search will open in an email, allowing you to share your search with any other Market Maker subscribers. To clear all of the current searches and filtering, click on New and then OK to reset your current session. The Advanced Search page in Search Assistant allows users to undertake more complicated searches. The index you can see categorises the items into the areas that they are seen in the original documentation for easy review. On the left side of the page, you can see a search box above the index. The search box allows you to select specific deal terms from the 550 which the database covers. Let's look at ratings-based portability. And see how many deals contain this specific feature. From the drop-down menu, I'm going to select the two types of ratings-based portability that we have seen in the market. We can then see of the 341 deals, 22 contain some form of ratings-based portability. If we click on Search Now, we can see those high-yield bonds which contain this covenant. Once you've applied your required filters, you are then able to return to Term Tracker to select and view either predefined covenant tables or tables you've created yourself. I'm interested in looking at all covenants around change of control or redemption. So I'm going to select the change of control and portability, the equity clause, and the special optional redemption. And now come up the top and click Show Tables. What we see now is all of the covenant terms we're interested in across those deals which contain a ratings-based portability. If you are interested in finding out more about a specific deal, such as numeric harbor, by clicking on that high-yield bond, you have the deal snapshot produced by our legal team and also the OMs for that deal all at your fingertips. That brings us to the end of our Getting Started video tutorial. If you have any questions or would like some assistance with using the Market Maker database, please contact one of the DebtXplained team.